Hi, we welcome you to the Kappa Alpha Theta house. Come on in.
Hi guys, my name is Jane and I'm the recruitment director for Theta. Right now we're in the parlor. This is where we do new member education. I remember when I was a new member, we came here and I learned all about Theta's values.
Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm a sophomore. Let me show you the kitchen. I remember last year during the Super Bowl, we would make pizza rolls and pies, and I ate so many pizza rolls last year that I got sick. The kitchen is used by members to just bake and cook together. We also have this really cool ice mini fridge.
Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm a junior.
Hi, I'm Olivia and I'm also a junior.
One of our favorite memories in the Theta house is when we went apple picking last year and came back and made apple pies.
It smelled so yummy in here.
And over here, we have the wall of wins.
This is where we highlight all of our members' amazing accomplishments. Like, for example, one of our members got into UPenn for grad school last year.
Hi, welcome to the chapter room. My name is Poppy. I'm a junior here in Theta, and this beautiful room is used for ritual. For instance, I was most recently in here for initiation.
As Poppy mentioned, this room is very multidimensional. As you can see here, we have all of our awards showcasing our spirit, service, and academic achievements that we're all very proud of.
And these are our composites that we hang up every year to showcase all of our beautiful Theta women.
Most of us love coming down to the house to study and hang out with our sisters because it's such a cool and cozy environment.
Every year, Archivist makes a scrapbook to commemorate all of our fun times we've had with each other over the year.
We also have a lot of fun sisterhood memories in this room. In the past, we've used it for Super Bowl watching parties, pumpkin carving, spa nights, bachelorette nights, and cookie decorating. One of my favorite memories has been every single year when all of the new members get their bigs, we all dress up in little matching costumes and then go out on the porch afterwards to take pictures.
This is our bathroom. We're really proud of it. It is absolutely beautiful in here. We love spending time in here to get ready for bid day, putting on glitter and sparkles. It's also a place where we get ready for recruitment events as well. Come follow me into the living room. This room is really special to us Denison Thetas because we have big little reveal here. We talk to potential new members here during recruitment, and we love to hang out here before chapter begins every Sunday.
Our wheat white house has a lot of history. It was actually the oldest framed house in Granville. It was built in 1808. It later became our Theta chapter house in 1929.
We were originally a local sorority called Chi Psi Delta. As you can see, we still love to show off our history in our house today. Thank you all so much for coming to our house tour today. We have so many special and fond memories shared here together. My name is Hope Cherubini, and I'm the Chief Recruitment Officer for Kappa Alpha Theta Beta Tau chapter this year. And I'm so glad that you had a chance to see our beautiful, lovely wee white house. Thank you guys so much for coming. Bye.